Thiko yake iri kuma riria wakiri Kyalo Mbobu arathirwo na gikua barabara-ini ya Magadi Road mwena wa Karen guku Nairobi. Akenya na andu a nyumba no mathiite na mbere kumatha nja ya gikuo gikio hamwe na riboti cia uthuthuria wa honge cia ugitiri. Thutha wa honge cia ugitiri gukorwo ikiriire njuragano ino, MINISTA ugitiri wa THIINI KIPCHUMBA Murkomen oigite ruhonge rwa DCI ni rurikitie gukinyukia makinya marumu niguo gukurana ni amoragire o hamwe na gitumi gia giko giki.
This is a very sad thing that has happened in our country. It is akin to what happened also to Honorable Ngondo Were. It's a terrible thing that happened in our country, that someone assassinated or killed a very prominent, hard-working citizen of this republic, who was going about his business.
Kuringana na Murkomen, maabitha DCI nimarikitie kuhunga mahuri andu amwe aria mangikuirwo kumenya undu o wothe wa gikuo giki riu magiteithiririe maabitha ya kumatha nja.
I'm happy to note that there is some progress that has been made. Some persons of interest have been identified, that those persons of interest are being interrogated, and many others are going to be sought. I pray that the DCI is going to be successful.
Ninge Murkomen ni ataririe ati amwe a ira aria meyoneire njuragano eno riria yahanikaga ni marikitie kwandikithia ndumiriri ciao na ruhonge rwa borithi. Riu muingi ukiorio mundu ungikorwo na undu o wothe ugitithiririo thuthuria-ini uyu kwiyumiria.
We thank the eyewitnesses who have already come out, who are in the scene, and many other Kenyans of goodwill who are giving information to the DCI. I encourage more Kenyans to come forward and assist in the process. Anybody who knew anything that is related to this very heinous act to come out, because it is in the interest of us in the security sector and the people of Kenya that the truth comes out and we get to know exactly what happened in this situation.
Na hari ndeto ya maabitha borithi aria mari bururi-ini wa Haiti mihango-ini ya gucokereria thayo bururi-ini ucio, Murkomen ni agathiriirie wirutiri wa maabitha Kenya mihango-ini ino.
The Haiti people are extremely happy with the work we have done. Their children are back to school. They are able to go to the hospitals. Their business sector is booming. Their airport is now functioning.
Murkomen no ataririe ati mugaru na uria andu aingi matanyaga, maabitha Kenya ni mahotete kuranwo na ugwati munene wira-ini wao, riu agitaririe mwihoko munene na wagi wa ikuo cia maabitha makiria bururi-ini uyu.
When this team was going, many critics in our country and the continent and even beyond were saying that many police officers will come back in body bags, having been dealt with by the gangs in Haiti. I'm very happy that that mission is very successful.
Harunia kama TV leto lako ni Bataru wa Mwagi.